Combine alcohol with driving, and you make a deadly concoction. The California State Automobile Association says over 2,400 Californians were killed in alcohol-related auto accidents last year. If you drink, don't drive.
Joe Glover is an experienced reporter. He brings to Action News an understanding of what's important to you.
Bev Hudson of the Action News team talks about anchorman Joe Glover.
When you have the experience that Joe has, it means he gets to the heart of a story, so you get what you want to know. Joe and all the Action News team are committed to news excellence and accuracy in every news report we do. Action News, first in local news, 6 and 11 p.m. on KSBW TV 8.
He shattered speed records and broke trails in the infant science of aeronautics. He was the first man to fly across the country in less than 24 hours. In the dark early days of World War II, he led a B-25 bombing raid on Tokyo and gave America back its pride. General Jimmy Doolittle. Be sure to watch his story as he receives the Mutual of Omaha Chris Award in a star-studded television special.
Sunday at 6:30 on KSBW TV 8.
Bryant Gumbel is featured tomorrow at 4:30. Welcome to tonight's Grade 8 Friday late movie, The Beast from 20,000 Fathoms. After experiencing an atomic blast, a scientist sees a prehistoric monster, but nobody believes him until havoc breaks out.